Hello students, I am Miss Ashwini Pawar and today we are going to learn about articles. Let's start with the articles. There are three articles: a, and, the, in which a and an articles are indefinite and the is a definite article. What is indefinite article? The article that introduces non-specific noun, and definite is which introduce a definite noun. When we'll go through the articles and when we will learn about the example, you will come to know about the definite and indefinite. Let's begin with article A, but where they are used. So article A is used for singular noun. Noun should be singular, means the object should be only one. It should be countable noun, the nouns which we can count. If I say ball, balls, I can say one ball or many balls. But when I talk about water and milk, I can't say many water, many milk, so they are uncountable. So this is used only for countable nouns, and it should start with the consonant sound. In English alphabets, they start with A to Z. In that A to Z, there are some vowels. Vowels are the swar. A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels in English alphabets. Except these 5 vowels, the remaining alphabets are called as consonants. So the countable noun would start with the consonant sound are used A. Let us see the example. When there is one hen, we would say a hen. When there is one ball, we would say a ball. When there is one cat, we would say a cat. When there is one man, we would say a man. When there is one woman, we would say a woman. When all these are plural, now here they are singular, एक एक है. अगर ये plural है, ज़्यादा है, जैसे balls, so I can't use a. If cats, I can't use a cats because a is used only for singular noun. Let's learn about article an. So an also used for singular noun, countable, but it should start with vowel sound. Both are same, but the thing changes is here is consonant and here it is vowels. So the noun, the singular object start with consonant sound are used with an apple a, an eagle e, an ink pot I, an orange O, an umbrella U, an R, and honest. Now see here, H we have used in the and also, and H we have used here also. So what is the difference between these two? Now here, when in front of H we have used A, H we say hen, where H is pronounced, where your and R, an honest person, where H is silent. We pronounce R, we pronounce honest, and here we pronounce hen. So your H is not silent, but your H is silent. So when H is silent, we use an. Also, sometimes some nouns and adjectives that begin with letter that are vowels, but they are spoken with consonant sound. For example, unicorn, university, European, one, unique. So where they start, though they start when we write them in the vowels, but when we pronounce them, the sound comes as Y first. That is why to these words we write A. We write A because though they are start with vowel sound, but while pronouncing, they start with consonant sound. Let's learn about the article the, where it is used. So it is used for definite specific noun. Singular or plural noun के लिए we can use the. For a renowned person or personality's name, some specific object, mountain, religion, organization in front of their name, thing which is unique, one of its kind. Before that we use the. Let's see better with examples. I read a book. The book is very interesting. So here I have underlined a book. Here for the first time I'm talking about a singular object start with consonant sound. But in the second sentence I'm talking about that specific book for which the article stands. definite noun. So here the book is specific, the definite book, okay, which I read, therefore the book. Let's see the more example in this category. The shirt I will wear tomorrow is red. The shirt, here I am talking about the specific shirt which is red. The milk in cup is hot. Here I am talking about the particular milk in the cup. That is why the house in the street is big. Now in the street there are many houses, but I'm talking about the particular house which is big. So the article is used for the nouns which is definite or which is specific. Next, the sun, the moon, the earth, we can say, because they are one of their kinds, unique object. The prime minister in front of the post, the best in front of the superlative degree, we also use the. Like for example, Ganga is the biggest river, the biggest. So for superlative we use the Mahatma Gandhi, a famous personality, in front of their names also we use the Yamuna, a specific river's name, in front of that we use the World Health organization, the Bible, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita, the things which are unique, the things which are one of their kinds. So for them we use the. One more example in this, Reena has two children, okay, a girl and a boy. So here in the first sentences, a girl and a boy refers to singular noun, countable noun. But in the next sentence, I'm talking about that particular girl and that particular boy. That is why I'm going to use the article the, because this the here defines that specific or definite girl and the specific and definite boy. The girl's name is Sita and the boy's name is Alex. So here we have learned about the three articles A and the and their uses. Thank you.